How to use Uniqlo gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use your Uniqlo gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use a Uniqlo gift card, all you have to do is go ahead and then open the Uniqlo app or maybe even your browser and just go to uniqlo.com and then make sure to sign into your account if you'd like. Once you've done that, in order to use a gift card, you have to do it during the payment option on the checkout process. So first of all, make sure to add the products that you want to buy to your cart and then just tap the cart option from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the cart option from the top right hand side, you'll be able to see a list of all of the products that you might have added in there. So let us wait until this page has been loaded. And once you come to the cart page, just revise the products that you've added, and now right over here you'll be able to see all the coupon options here, and then over here you'll also be able to see the gift option. You can select the gift option. Right now, after this, what you want to do is you actually want to go to the checkout process by tapping the checkout button from the bottom of the screen. Once you go to the checkout process, first of all, make sure to enter your email and password. So let me also go ahead and do that. Once you enter your email and password, what you can do is after that, in the checkout process, it will ask you to select a payment method. In that payment method, you have to select an option called gift card, and after you select your gift card, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically use your Uniqlo gift card in that way. That's all it takes to use a Uniqlo gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.